Okay, so in this video, I want to show you in a bowl, I want to teach you in a bowl to eliminate all negativity, all osobos, ayewos, ibi, all the osobo and the negativity you might have, and you want to eliminate, you want to cleanse your whole spiritual surrounding, your body, like you want to do in a bowl. And maybe you don't have the means economically, or you don't have the time to go to any elders right now, or your elder lives very far away, and you need to do that right now, or maybe it's for one of your kids or family members. So you're gonna get a coral necklace. You're gonna buy a coral necklace. You can get them at anywhere. And if you don't know where to get a coral necklace, in my botanica, I humbly offer you, we do have plenty of all colors. It's called Botanica Orisha. There, you can Google it. But anyways, this is not a promotion Botanica commercial. This is in a bowl I want to gift to you guys, so you guys can solve a difficult situation, so you guys can have the tools, effective tools in your hands to solve a difficult situation right away, especially if it's a spiritual difficult situation, because most of the times, 90% of the times, the material problems that we face in our lives derives or comes from the spiritual side, whether it's witchcraft or voodoo or envying, I don't know how to say that word, but anyway, like when you send somebody a negativity, when somebody sends it to you, or whatever it is, maybe you drove by somewhere and you got attached to you a dark spirit, whatever you think it is, or whatever you think someone might be doing to you, and you want to clean yourself. Get right to the point, David. Okay. You're going to get a coral necklace. You're going to go to your spiritual vault. Let's go to my spiritual vault. Mind you guys, I have to change the water. I know they're going to be like, Professor David doesn't have his spiritual vault clean. I have to clean it this week. This is my spiritual vault. So you're going to get this necklace. Let me turn the camera around. Okay. You're going to pray a Holy Father, a sacred Father, Holy Father. I don't know how to say it. Like, Holy Father, you are in heaven, that. Like, Padre nuestro que estás en los cielos, that. And you're going to start from right to left. Holy Father, the rise in heaven, you're going to do this. One, you're going to do the whole praying. Left, the right. Whether you have 6 cups or 7 cups, you're going to do this. And then the last, in the main, let me take a picture of this so I can put it as a thumbnail. And then you're going to put splashes of water in the 4 sides of your head with this. You see how it's splashing water? Okay. So you're gonna go like that. You're gonna do that, and you're gonna keep praying that Holy Father thing, the Holy Father praying, and you're gonna do that across and like that. After that, you're gonna wear it. You're gonna wear it. You're gonna wear it. You're gonna wear it. You're gonna wear it every day, and every day at 12 o'clock at night, you're going to do the same thing at 12 o'clock at night. Okay. At the seventh day, you're going to take this off, and standing right in front of the spiritual vault, the shrine, the spiritual table, you're gonna get a scissor. If you can do it with your hands, it's way better. You're going to, let me see how I can put this in here. Okay, I think I'm doing it right. Okay. Okay. If you can do it with your hands, you're gonna go like that, and you're gonna pray. I'm praying to my spirits, my blood spirits, my Mfumbe, Palo Mayombe spirits, my spiritual spirits, my dimensional spirits. Seven. There's 7 kinds of spirits, and everyone's spiritual form of the water espiritual spiritual cuadro, I don't know, spiritual square. That's not the way you say it, but anyways, I'm sure you guys are gonna help me little by little. So we're gonna turn this bilingual channel. This is a wannabe bilingual channel. It's going to turn into a professional bilingual channel the day of tomorrow. Thanks to you guys that you guys are gonna help me. So you're gonna pray, and you're gonna break this with your own hand. If you can break it with your own hand, you're gonna do it with scissors. And you know when it breaks, you're gonna pick up all the bees. You're gonna pick up all the bees, and bee by bee, you're going to try. Oh snap! I put all the ashtray in my desk. Whatever. I'll pick it up later. Bee by bee, you're gonna get all the bees, and let me see if it's still recording. Okay, it's still recording. Sorry, guys. You're gonna get bee by bee. Sounds like I'm saying bee, like zzz, bee. These bees one by one, and you're going to throw them away, like take it to a different point of the nature, like Mother Nature. One bee, you're gonna take it to the sea. You're gonna clean yourself against clockwise, against the clock. Clean yourself in the head, and the palm of your feet, the bottom of your feet, both of the palm of your feet, in the sea, and you're gonna throw it, and then you're gonna do the same one with you're going to a river. You're gonna throw one in the sea, one in the river, the other one in the forest, the other one in the four corners, the other one at a market, the other one at a cemetery, the other one, like you're gonna throw it in different places of where the spirits of the nature live. This ebo, guys, this ebo is born in the Odu of Erin Dilogun, Osameji. It says, Osameji, Kolo Woni, Otoko Bolobe, give me one momentico. Osameji Kolo Boni, Otoko Lobe, Adafuni, Otoko Lobi, Bibilo Gunguni, Otoko Lobi Bori, Ebolobi Barani, Eboni Woni Koba, Shosim Borubo, Digilowo, Adigilowo, Odubokuku, Digilowo Nire. You know, was when Osameji did the divination to clean the whole, I don't know how to say vibra, like the whole like spiritual surrounding. What? That. Yeah, I'm sure you guys get the point. The spiritual surrounding on Osameji did the bowl so you can clean the body, and it, and I'm trying to think how I'm gonna say what I want to say to explain to you guys the Itang, the story. But anyways, that's the book. Osameji did the cleanse for the 9 spirits. For the 9 spirits that she had. Osa is a feminine Odum, and it was the first Odum to know the secrets of Egun and Egungun. It's 2 different things, Egun and Egungun. Later on in a couple of days, that we're going to be doing more lives in this channel, English lives, for the English community, because I have to attract the religious English community to this channel, guys. Please help me, for your friends, spread the word, tell tell your friends that we're doing something good in here. You know, we're almost getting to 130,000 subscribers on this channel, but 99% of my subscribers are Spanish speaking, because I've been doing lives for 15 years and in Spanish. But now I want to start making that impact, which I believe I can, because I believe that my teachings and my knowledge can contribute in high dimensional and different ways that are going to feed in a very positive way, in a very positive spiritual way to humanity. You know, whether you are an Abore Orisha, you know, or Baoriate, I mean in Cuba, whether you're a Tata or a Yaya in Quincy Malongo, whether you are Spiritism, Piritita, whether you're an Olorisha, Babalawo, whatever practice whatever you practice in the religion, this channel is going to have it for you. And I'm sure you will learn a lot in this channel. I also have 5 virtual online religious schools, which is Spiritism School, the Palo Mayombe School, the Arin de Logun Divination School. Then I have the Secrets of to learn how to do Orisha initiation school, and I have the school which is the most general school, which is called the all-in-one Orisha Spiritism, Ifar, Palo, everything, all-in-one school. And in all of my schools, especially the all-in-one, and not all of them, just in all-in-one school and the Spiritism school, we have students that are not initiated and students that are initiated. You don't have to be initiated to be in my schools. Just in the one that is called the Secrets of Orisha ceremonies, that you have to be initiated into Orisha. But anyways, and that you subscribe to my school in www.davidalaggayu.com. But getting back to, and the classes are 100% in English because we have a live translator, 24 hours in all the classes, and all of our live Zoom and live PDF and WhatsApp and everything, we recorded it into a digital library we put up in the cloud, so you can have access to your classes at any time at your comfortability. But anyways, getting back to my YouTube channel, which is what matters more to me right now. Well, the both that I'm giving you and to attract the religious, to help I say to attract because what I really mean is to help. You know, and the only way I'm going to help is by attracting, and the only way I'm going to attract is by practically start making this YouTube channel 75% in English and 25% Spanish. And so my Spanish followers, they're just going to have to bear with me. They're going to have to bear with the channel. They're going to have to put themselves in your position, your English-speaking religious person position. Un momentico. And they're going to know what you guys went through for 15 years that you guys didn't understood the lives. So now they're going to go through the same thing. So anyways, guys, this abo is a secret, very good abo, very key abo. I've done it for me and for plenty of hundreds of people around the world for my God children, and it's very effective. You don't need no animals, you don't need no elders, you don't need nothing. You just need a core bracelet that you can get anywhere in the United States. Blessings, guys. Doctor or professor or Baba Ifa Aggayu. Blessings. Make sure you hit the following, the subscribe button, and hit the bell. Blessings.